Preview.
Hello guys and welcome again to the new basic learning. Now in this chapter I have explained you in previous video I have explained the 4 formulas, and here I am going to tell you the next formulas, that are a plus b, a minus b gives you a square minus b square. Okay, so in this video I am going to cover all the formulas that are left. So let's start. Suppose the value for the a plus b is given you 2a plus 4, and value for the a minus b is given you 2a minus 8. Okay, so how you will be applying a formula for this question? The formula will be applied is this, and how the formula is calculated? A into a into a gives you a square, and b into b will give you b square. Okay, so a square minus b square, because plus minus minus. Okay, once again I am telling you, a into a gives you a square, b into b gives you b square, and plus minus gives you minus. I hope the the formula is clear to you. Now I will solve the question which is given here. 2a square plus 4 and 2a minus 8. Okay, so 2 into 2 gives you 4, a into a gives you a square. Okay, then minus 4 into 8 gives you 32. I hope this example is clear to you. This is the final answer. Now we will take another question, that is, suppose the value for the a plus b is given you 3a plus 2b, and for this a minus b is given you 3a minus 6b. The formula will be same. Let's calculate. 3 into 3 will give you 9, and a into a gives you a square, minus 2 into 6 gives you 12, and b into b gives you b square. This is the final answer that we get. So I hope this example is clear to you, and you can solve the questions related to this formula very easily. Now I will take another formula. Before starting the another formula, I want to tell you one more question according to this formula, how you can solve that question. Suppose the value for the a plus b plus b is given you 2 and plus 3 upon 2. Here it is given you 2ab. Okay, and value for the a minus b is given you 2ab minus 3 upon 2. So how you will solve this question? It will be 2 into 2 gives you 4, a into a gives you a square, and b into b gives you b square. Okay, then minus 3 into 3 gives you 9 upon 2 into 2 gives you 4. These questions are not very much difficult to solve. These are easy, but you have to know the formula how you will be applying in that. So I hope this formula is clear to you. Now I will take another formula. Now I have taken here another formula, that is a plus b whole square gives you a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now suppose the value for the a plus b is given you can take 3x plus you can take 6y. Okay, whole square. Now The formula which we will be applying here will be the same. I have told you this formula will be applying here. So let's put the values according to the formula. Here a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a into means it was the whole square. So a into a gives you a square and b into b gives you b square, and we have done here 2 into ab, that is 2 into a into b. Here we will apply the same formula. 3 into 3 gives you 9 and x into x gives you x square plus 2 into value for the 9x was 3 x into 6 5 plus the value for the b is given you 6 5, so it is 36y square. Because when we are multiplying 6 into 6, that is 6 square is 36 square, 36, and 3 square is 9. So this is the value, and let's calculate further. That is 9x square plus 6 into 3. We have to multiply all the terms here. Okay, so we can multiply 3 to the 6, 6 6 are 36. So here 36x into y, that is xy. I am telling you again, 6 into 2 gives you, 3 into 2 gives you 6, and 6 into 6 gives you 36, and x into y gives you xy. Next, plus 36y, and it is complete. This was the question related to this formula, and we have calculated the values, that is 9x square plus 36xy plus 36y square. This is the final answer that we get. Now I will take another example. Now I have taken another question, that is 5 upon 6a plus 3b whole square. This is the same question. According to this formula we will apply the same formula here. So let's put the values. 5 into 5 gives you 25 and 6 into 6 give you 36, a square. Then plus 2 into 5 upon 6a into 3b plus 3 square is 9b square. Okay. Now we will calculate further, that is 25 upon 36 a square plus, now you can do divide, 2 3s are 6 and 3 cancelled by 3. So here we are left with 5ab plus 9b square. I hope this question is clear to you. Now I will take another formula. Now the second formula says a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So and the question is given you 3x minus 5y whole square. So the question you will be applying the same formula here. Now let's put the values. That is 3 into 3, 9, x into x, x square plus 2 into 3x. Okay, 3x into 5y plus 5 into 5, 25, y into y, y square. Now let's calculate it further. That is 9x square plus 5. Now we will do the multiplication. 3 to the 6 and 6 5 is the 30. X into y, xy plus 25y square. This is the answer that we get after calculation. I hope this example is clear to you. Now I will take another example according to this formula. Now I have taken another question, that is 2 upon 5x minus 4 upon 9y whole square. Now let's put the values according to the formula. 2 into 2 gives you 4. 5 into 5, 25. X into x, x square, minus 2 into 2 upon 5x into 4 upon 9y, plus 4 into 4 gives you 16. 9 into 9, 81 y square. Okay, now let's calculate further. 4 upon 25 x square minus, you can do the calculation, that is 4 to the 8, 2 into 8 upon 9 5 the 45 xy. Now let's do these parts, calculation part. 16 upon 81 y square. 4 upon 25 x square minus 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16 upon 45 xy plus 16 upon 81 y square. This is the final answer that we get. If you want to calculate it further, then you can divide this part, or you can simply write as it is. So I hope that this example is clear to you according to solving the questions by this formula, that is a minus b whole square. So now I will end this part and now I will start new formula. Now the another type of question that we use that in the formula is given you a plus b whole square, that we have completed earlier only, but the question is little bit changed and you have to use the formula in that question. The question says compute the following using expansion a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and the question it is asked to calculate the 52 whole square. You can easily calculate the question, that is 52 whole square. You can multiply 52 into 52, but here we have to use this formula and we have to calculate the square of 52 according to that formula. So how you will be applying the formula for calculating this type of question? Let's do. It is a plus b, okay, and here the value is only 1, that is 52. So how you will, you can say that how you will separate the two values. When we, you have to know the squares of every number, but it is very difficult to remember all the squares. So I hope that you know the square of 50 and it is easy to calculate in mind also. That is 5 5 is 25, that gives 2500, and 2 square is 4. So you can take it 50 plus 2. 50 plus 2 gives you 52. So I hope that this part is clear to you, that 50 plus 2 gives you 50. So we can do 25 whole square, that is 2500, and 2 square is 4. So we can calculate the following question according to this formula. Okay. Now 50 square is 2500 plus 2 into 25, sorry, 2 into 50 it is given, 50 into 2 plus b square is, b value is 2, so 4 square 2 square is 4. Now 2500 plus 5 2s are 10, that is 100 plus 100 into 2, this gives you 200 plus 4. Now the value which we get after calculation will be, we have to add the values now. It will give you 2 7 0 4. I hope this type of question is clear to you. Now I will take another question. Now the question is this part. Now we have to calculate this part, that is 108. Sorry, 1008. So how you will apply the formula for this part it will be easy. It is 1000 plus 8. Okay. So let's calculate this. 1000 square, it will be, okay, plus 2 into 1000 into 8 plus 8 square, that is 64. Okay. Now plus 2000 into 8, it will give you 16,000. 8 2s are 16 and 16,000 plus 64. Now add the values. It is, you can calculate by this also, and it is 16,000 plus 64. It gives you 1016064. You can check it by doing the square of 1008 also. The answer will be this only, and by this formula you can calculate easily. So I hope this part is clear to you. Now if you have any query, you can comment in the comment section, and hit the like. If you like the video, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon to get more latest updates. Thank you for watching.